Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you, back with another Edabit problem. This one's called check if an integer is divisible by 5. So it says create a function that returns true if an integer is evenly divisible by 5 and false otherwise. And as you can see from the examples, 5 is divisible by 5, so it's true. Negative 55 is divisible by 5, so that means it's true. 37 is not divisible by 5, so that's going to be false. And again, don't forget to return the results. So here we go in the code tab. You see it's a bool function. So again, repeat, we are returning true or false. That's what it means. And inside right here, the argument is going to be int num. So to solve this, we're going to do an if-else statement. So if, and inside the if statement, the condition, num is divisible by 5. So num mod 5. So that means if the number like 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, so there's no remainder. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. So again, there's nothing left over. Like if we would divide 37 by 5, obviously we don't get a whole number, so there'd be extra things. There would be a remainder. So to make it more, so you can see it, num mod 5, no remainder, okay? So if num is divisible by 5, we are going to return true. Else, we will return false. Let's check if it passes the test. There we go. It passed all the tests. If you like the video, please press the like button. Subscribe to keep on seeing more Edabit problems. Thank you.